Hey guys, welcome back to Cheezz channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. So today I'm going to review the Banjaras Papaya facial kit. Recently I've been reviewing facial kits because I got a few requests to do that, and before this video I did a review of the Biotech Gold facial kit, which I'll put in the description bar or in the I button right here. Before going into the video, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe if you're new, and share with your friends. Now let's go to the video. So this facial kit retails for about 200 rupees and I bought this from Nykaa.com. Actually, it's available in a lot of websites like Flipkart, Amazon, and also in Health and Glow. So this product is suitable for all skin types, as it tells in the box, and it comes with 4 steps, and at the back of the box there's a detailed description of all the steps with the ingredients. This is the close-up of the packaging of the product. So these are the 4 steps, and at the back you can see a detailed description of how to do the steps, key ingredients, how much grams these ingredients are, and usage directions. So this is basically an anti-aging kit for skin rejuvenation. It helps to rejuvenate your skin and give that firmer, softer, radiant skin. So before going into the review, I have the demo for the product. I am explaining all the steps and showing you guys how to do it. So you guys see the demo, see how actually you can use this product, and then come back to the review. So the first one is the Papaya cleansing scrub. So what they tell is this is a gentle cleanser scrub and it's great for everyday use. So I'm applying the scrub in dots and I'm just spreading it all over my face, and then you can see I've wet my face, but you have to do it before itself. You have to start with a wet face, which I forgot. So I'm wetting my face after applying it, and I'm giving it a good scrub. Just give this a really good scrub and wipe off with a moist cotton towel or wash it off with water. You can see a slight difference in my skin tone. It is a bit bright and also more soft and supple. The next thing is the Papaya massage gel. So what they tell is the Papaya massage gel is enriched with moisturizing properties of glycerin and papaya, which lifts away tired, dull skin cells. So you have to apply the massage gel all over your face, spread it evenly, and then massage in a circular motion. So just give that a really good massage for a few minutes. It's going to be amazing, you know, when you start massaging. Your skin will love it. Next, again, wash it off with water. My skin actually improves in each step. It makes it more softer. Next, third one is Papaya massage cream. So this contains again papaya and peach, which exfoliates dead cells, and peach improves the moisture balance of the skin, making the skin smooth, soft and firm. So I'm just applying this all over my face and again spreading it and then giving it a really nice massage. And you can massage it in circular motions till the time you want. They tell few minutes, but it's up to you. Just massage it really well and then wash it off with water. Next is final Papaya face pack. This contains awesome ingredients: multani methi, kaolin, sunflower oil, wheat germ oil, glycerin, papaya extract and peach extract. So you just have to apply it all over your area evenly, avoiding around eyes, and you just have to allow it to dry for about 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off with water. Yes guys, the whole process is done and my skin feels so amazing. You can see a difference from the start to the end. The skin has really improved. So first let's see what Banjaras promises with this product. Banjara Papaya Facial Kit is a 4-step regime to give blemish-free, even-toned and nourished skin. It is enriched with the goodness of papaya and peach fruit extract and vitamins. It provides essential nutrients and evens out the skin tone, making it pimple-free, spotless and clean. It helps reduce fine lines, enhances collagen formation, thereby making the skin firmer for better toned skin. So basically what they tell is this is great for anti-aging properties. So obviously papaya is great as an anti-aging natural ingredient. When you actually look at the ingredients, everything is natural here. They have used like complete natural products, which I'm actually super happy and surprised. So this is like a complete natural facial kit, which usually doesn't happen. It's always, you know, chemicals in facial kits. So does it give what it promises? It definitely gives what it promises. I would tell I am like 70% satisfied with this product. I will tell what's the minus. Now blemish free, even toned is the only thing which I'm not sure about, or I'm not completely satisfied, because I don't have much pigmentation. I have very little near my mouth area, so I didn't experience blemish free or evening out the skin. It did do something. I'm using it like the 3rd time, but it didn't make it blemish free. My skin is not blemish free, but definitely it has improved, but not to a fact it's blemish free and even toned. Maybe if I use it completely, I don't know. So that's why I'm like, you know, maybe, may not. So that's the point where I'm not completely satisfied with this product. The other things that is, it makes the skin firmer, supple, softer, shinier. Yes, it is amazing in those all aspects. Like once you start using one by one, you get all that aspects that this facial kit promises, and it's amazing. At the end, your face feels really rejuvenated and firmer and super soft. So this is a kit if you want your skin to feel really healthy and firmer and softer. This is a kit. But if you want fairness or, you know, lightening, this is not the thing. But it definitely does it definitely does brighten the skin, but it doesn't promise anything like that. But it definitely brightens the skin, but doesn't stay for more than a day. But that is not what the facial kit is about. It's actually to improve your skin tone, which it does in a really good way. So I would tell this is an amazing kit that you have to use, you know, completely to see the full effect of it. So I really like it. It definitely has improved my skin, and yeah, it's a thumbs up from me. For the price, for the quantity, this is really good, and also it's fully natural, which is another amazing thing. So yeah guys, that was my review of the Papaya facial kit from Banjaras. Hope you guys found this review useful. If you have any other requests, to share it in the description bar. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.